So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Mysterious Physics and you guys are watching a very good channel. Today I am here with my English teacher and his name is Suphat Chatterjee. And I heard from him that he did his MA from Indira Gandhi National Open University, and which is a very good university. And our today's topic is a very severe topic in which we will discuss. So my first question will be, what is the present condition of that educated unemployed youth of India? So sir, please tell me a few lines about it.
I am Suphat Chatterjee. My student is Saurabh Nayak. I have been teaching him for many years. He has asked me a question about the present condition of young unemployed youth of India. I am trying to answer his question. The present condition of the young, educated, uneducated, unemployed youth in India is very alarming. It is becoming worse day by day. Lakhs of young boys are without work. They have taken degrees from colleges and universities. After completing their education, there is no guarantee of getting jobs. The government is indifferent about it. The government has not taken proper planning to improve the condition of the young generation. Though our country is full of minerals and agricultural resources, our country is surrounded by oceans and the great Himalayas, which are the full of resources. It is a paradox. India is one of the richest countries in the world, but inhabited by poor people.
So sir, I think that this situation is becoming very much crucial and this is overwhelming. So sir, how can we overcome this situation, and so sir, how can we tackle this situation? Please give some tips and suggestion about it.
Industries should be set up as soon as possible. Agriculture development and industries can solve the problem. As most of the countrymen are farmers, the condition of the farmers should be improved. So I think if we can improve the condition of the farmers and the development, the condition of the farmers, it will improve the condition.
So sir, how can we check it that our situation is becoming worse day by day? Please tell some lines.
Developed countries like European and American countries take strong steps to solve the problem. The students are classified according to their merit from the beginning. From boyhood, the students can take professors they like. The students who are not meritorious can learn vocational education for their living, like tailoring, motor mechanics, motorcycle repairing, etc., etc. In this way, the unemployment problem can be solved.
So sir, in these days the students are getting frustrated and they are becoming demotivated if they do not get jobs. So sir, at this time what the students should do, and if they don't able to get jobs, so sir, can you please give me your some valuable suggestion over it? Please give some suggestion.
Yeah, I am trying to give answer to your question. Most of the youth have their old parents at home and marriageable sisters at home. He has no enough land. He has not enough money at home. So he is frustrated. What should he do to improve the condition of his family? I think they should take technical job like engineering, automobiles, motorcycle repairing. They should not sit idly for getting jobs, government jobs. They should give stress on their learning. If they can focus on it, believe me, they must be able to get job and serve their family by earning money.
So in these days, I can see that some of the students are like to go abroad for their higher studies. So sir, will it always necessary to go abroad, or we can stay here and continue our studies? Please give your opinion.
I think the students who are meritorious and serious and they have come from wealthy families, they can go abroad without any hesitation. They can build themselves wealth. Self-help is the best help. If they are fascinated towards research work, they should go abroad. India has no suitable infrastructure for researchers. Though IISc Bangalore is a very good place for those students who will not like to go abroad. They can take admission here or they must go abroad for higher studies. If they take higher degrees from foreign countries, they surely develop themselves.
So I think these topics will be going to be very much enjoyable, and so now I would like to end this video. Thanks for watching, and those who do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and do comment on the comment section, and please follow my channel, and if you like you can share this to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.